Today we're going to tear down the 1966 Schwinn Collegiate and harvest the parts we need from the 1971 Breeze. The grips on this bike are frozen in time, so I'll leave them on during the refresh. However, one of the grips is not properly aligned. I'll make an attempt to fix it after the bike is reassembled. These Coppertone grips are hard to find, and I'd like to take my time with it and not chance tearing it. Alright, let's get started. Now, on to harvesting the parts we need from the donor bike. It's time to put on the Sherlock Holmes hat and see what we can deduce. At your service. The date on the handlebars appears to be 66.
Yes, yes.
The date on the stem appears to be 66. The date on the crank is 63.
Ah.
These bearings appear to have been regreased not that long ago.
Aha.
This bearing race is just flopping around. This bearing cup is very loosely inserted.
Right.
This is the correct end for our brake cable. This is not.
Yes.
These are the correct shifter cable ends. This is not. This was obviously altered to try to make it fit into a round hole.
I'm kind of a round peg square hole guy myself.
This is the correct hardware for the rear fender in this hole. This is what I found in there.
Well, Mr. Holmes, what's your conclusion? Well, yes, yes. This bike. Go on. Was overhauled by a worse hack than you. Does that even exist? Apparently.
I'm going to let the bearings soak in carb cleaner for a little while. So what's next? Cleaning, cleaning, and more cleaning.
And therapy.
Yeah, and therapy.
Well, that's all for now. And remember, it's only original once. Take care.